Hello, how's it going? It's Mickey503. How are you doing today? That's my engine and it's running. Okay. So, what problem did I have? Well, I'm going to show you. And you know what? This is going to be, for everybody else, I'm going to post this on every single thread that I see on the Chrysler PT Cruiser forum, okay? So, this is the light right here, okay? This light right here is the one that blinks. Now, what I was having a problem is that, no joke, like this would stay on, all these lights would stay on, none of them would turn off, okay? And what was happening was that even if I did the IOD fuse, which let me show you which one I'm talking about so you guys know. That's this guy right there. That one. Okay? I also wasn't able to get trouble codes. I also wasn't able to use my key to unlock anything. And this is my original PT Cruiser key. Right there. Right? That doesn't work. Okay. Right? And it registers, listen. But the locks don't work. That's fine. Okay. So, but the light is out. How did I fix it? How am I able to go ahead and help you people out there with these older vehicles, right? Especially if you're stuck someplace, okay? All right? I'm not helping you steal a car, all right? Though I know quite a many people I met in jail that taught me a lot of really cool stuff. There's something I came up with, okay? Now, right here, yes, you actually get to see it. Most people say, go find your RKE module from Sylvania. No, here it is right here. It's actually made by Siemens. This is your RKE module. This is allowing there's no battery in here. This is an RFID key. You know the same crap that you go to Walmart, those things come off, they go, row, 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 row. And then most people just walk through them because they realize they forgot to scan the tag. That's fine. But the thing is, this is the key right here, okay? And some people say it goes bad. Well, you know what all I had to do is I just had to unplug this, and then this light stopped blinking. That one stopped blinking. I was able to start my car, just like that. You do have to take this off. It pulls off, okay? You do have to take this off too sometimes. Sometimes you can actually get it off without taking the stuff. So I'm going to put all this stuff back. And yes, as you can see, yes. But yeah, still a lot of electrical stuff to fix. Oh, God. And folks, like I say, don't let a goddamn insurance shop fix your car. All right? Okay? Maybe Leafs or something like that actually does real good repair, maybe. I don't know. I never personally went there, but most insurance shops, no. In fact, after I got my car back from them, I mean, it was never the same. Honestly, once you get into a car accident, you don't want them to fix your car. Especially if it's anything major, just don't. This car had, I believe, almost close to like $15,000, $16,000 worth of damage, like quite a bit. And the car at the time was originally a lot more when I first bought it. So anyway, there we go. Now it's off. All right. But one thing I noticed, like I said, none of these key fobs work. Not this one. Right? Panic. Nope. I just put brand new batteries in here too. Okay. I know the batteries are good, but honestly, they're brand new. I didn't test them, but I will. But that's what I had to do to get to start. So, do not waste your time. That's where you should start off with, is right down here. Unplug this. Again, I plugged it. I did it with the battery on. No big deal. Okay. So you're good. Now, here's the thing, folks. Okay. A lot of times stuff goes wonky. All right. And in this car, wonky has been but that's what you get when you buy like the first of the first, which I did. I'm serious. I bought one of the very first ones that came out. That's why I really love my PT Cruiser. It's the first brand new car I purchased. And you know how Indian people are. They just kind of hold on to things till they die. What do you know? So, anyway, a lot of good memories. A lot of good memories in that seat right there. And some bad ones. Anyway, but, yeah, cool stuff. So, cool beans. Everything seems like it's working now. Everything's starting and running. Heater works. Yep. Actually, heat's blowing nice. And remember, I just changed the thermostat a little while ago. Turned up the heater. Oh, yes. Oh, so much better. Yeah. I also got a brand new heater fan I got to put in. But yeah, and I got to put in a brand new battery up in front sooner or later, which I should probably just go out and just do. And I have lithium ion, so I have them in the back, but you see what I mean? Like, good old Mickey. Like, why fix something when you can just put a Band-Aid on it? Anyway, to recap, if this is blinking, okay, and your dash doesn't go off, right? Because these are the characteristic things where it's like, I put the power in, even with no key in the ignition, like right here, no key, all these things were on. They would not turn off, right? After I unplugged this, the light went solid, okay? And then after I plugged it back in, started the car, boom, all good to go. And again, this module is still here. I'm sure there's something iffy with this, I don't know, but I'm pretty sure the lock or the little sensor on it, all those little sensors on there need to be replaced, okay? Especially, I don't care if they're working now, they're going to break. Just replace them, okay? Just one of those things. So one of those, just how it is, man. Especially if you get in a car accident. They should have replaced all those, but no. I mean, a good jarring hit like that will do it. And it's been doing that since right after I picked it up from the shop. But good luck having them warranty any of that repair. They can't even warranty the work of the paint chips. Actually, they told me that this, one day I'm just going to go ahead and just blast the shop. But they told me this, even though the rest of the paint is perfectly around it, this is all from tire chains. This stuff from here is from tire chains. And I went to the shop and said, hey man, it started doing that immediately. And they're like, yeah, well, we'll fix it next time, bring it in. Well, next time I brought it in, right? Oh my God. Just, it blows my mind, man. Anyway. But now everything's working, right? No check engine lights, but I'm sure they'll come back soon. And I will also, while it was having that problem, I wasn't able to do the key dance. I'm going to go get my OBD2 sensor. I don't know where it's at. I'm going to go scan some codes, put that stuff in here. And enjoy some nice heat, maybe a cigarette. Oh, yeah. Because you know the reason why I own a car is so I can smoke cigarettes, right? And get coffee. That's pretty much about it. I'm not joking. I own a car so I could have a place to smoke cigarettes because I like it warm. I'm such a kid. Oh, God. First world problems. Oh, well. Anyway, that's all I had to do. I'm going to go ahead and publish this up in a little bit so you guys know what's going on. And I'm going to make the post in a little bit and everything will be just fine and dandy. I'm going to go and put it here just to kind of warm it up. And I'm going to try to start it one more time again. Matter of fact, let's do that really quick, right? Uh-oh. Check that out. Car's still running. Maybe it'll stop eventually. Isn't that cool to catch stuff like this on camera? Everything's hooked up here. Everything's off, but the car's still running. See, look, now the car's on, but the car's not turning off. Now it won't turn off. Any of these alarm buttons work? Nope. Okay, so let's... So now the car won't turn off. Joy. Absolute joy. Well, you know what to do in that case, right? Just put it in reverse and go. Damn it. A lot of torque. Forward. There we go. Woohoo! Good thing I got gravel. All right, let's turn it off. You see what I mean? Like, it's stuff like this that just drives me crazy about this car, right? It's on, won't turn off. Yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and switch out my computer. Fuck it, maybe I'll do it.